So this video is about GCSE Boolean Expressions. So this is a new topic in GCSE. So we've not normally had to work with these expressions, but the expressions look something like this. So we've got the dot that stands for and, so that's A and B. And we used to be able to write it like this. We still can write it like that, but they're looking now in the exams for you to know this notation. So that's A and B. So we've got the plus on this side, which is A or B. And then we've got the over bar here, which is not A and not B in this case. And then we've got this one here with an over bar on the A, so that's not A and B in that case. So this one needs some brackets here. So we need to put brackets around that because we're now doing not A and B, so the result of not A and B we're doing here, rather than just not A and not B, we're doing the result of it. So the gate might look like this. Try and draw a correct not gate for you. So it might look like this, so that we've got A and B, and then we're knotting that with the bar over the top. So then you might get a question like this. You might get asked to write a Boolean expression. So we've got here that a horn's going to sound only under the following conditions. So if sensor A is off, if sensor B is off, and if sensor W is on. So all of these conditions need to be correct. So if we consider that sensor A, it would be on if it was just A, but not A would be off. And we've got not B as well because sensor B needs to be off. And then we've got and W. So not A, not B, and W would be the answer to that as an expression. So they might ask you to write these kind of Boolean expressions in here as well. So you need to remember the notation and for the dot or for the plus, over bar is not, and you could also have this one for X or, but that one's going to be a bit more unusual. I think it's normally going to be these and or nots that they're going to ask you to do.